So we're gonna use this vacuum. Very interesting vacuum. Basically sucks everything up through this fin up here, through the bottom, and puts it in this bag. So it comes with 2 bags. So I'm just using the one. Also comes with a hook to get it out of the pool. And we just put this on, like so. And this is gonna float up, you're gonna see. We're gonna turn it on. You charge it right here. This is a charging port. So we're just gonna plug that up before we go to use it. You adjustment here, you adjust basically the size of your pool in the instructions you just follow. I'm just gonna have mine straight. And we're just gonna put it in the pool. You're gonna see, as soon as it detects water, it's going to just take off. So 1, 2. And did I turn it off? I think I turned it off. Yeah, I turned it off. Now we're turning it, I turned it off. Because I'm like, it usually moves right away. All right, there we go. You can see now it's moving, and it's gonna basically drive back and forth. And it's going to clean the bottom of the pool, so you can see it's sucking up all that stuff. If you look behind it, there's nothing. All right, it's just gonna drive back and forth in the pool and clean. So now it's gonna go reverse, and so on.